What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. I think we're gonna head to Goodwill, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. They close in about 1 hour, so we have enough time to see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. It's actually not super packed today. I'm surprised. I mean, the parking lot's kind of full, but it's usually way busier than this. There's so many carts in there. We should find lots of good stuff. Let's do it. All right, first things first is the video games. Lost Odyssey for $5. That's actually not a bad price, I don't think. Stick that in there. What else do we have here? The original Star Wars Battlefront, $8. That's expensive. I've never heard of this. It doesn't look like it's gonna be worth anything. And then let's see what we got. Oh, what? NBA Street Volume 3 for $6. It's not bad. Ooh, Blitz the League. That's a great game. Star Wars Knights of the Old Republic. Ooh, has the manual in there. Might snag that. True Crime. This game used to be worth money. Same thing with Midnight Club. It's only $4. Throw it in the cart. I might go back and grab some of these. What else do we got? Halo. American Wasteland, great game. Underground, great game. Skate 3, great game. What else do we got? Halo X. Ooh. Oblivion Game of the Year edition. $10 though. It's expensive. Lots of Madden. Lots of Madden. Oh, I saw some Tiger Woods. Nah, too old. Prince of Persia. Oh, this Guitar Hero World Tour is always a good find. And I don't believe that Star Wars is worth anything. Alright, let's see what we have on PS2 here. Got a few more Star Wars games. Prince of Persia. Pretty decent games. We also have some Wii games and some more 360 over here. Alright, come on. Alright, so I was going through all the media after the video games, and I did end up grabbing a bunch of stuff here, as you guys can see. Got sealed Forrest Gump. We have a live music performance, another sealed, these great courses. I find them all the time and they do pretty good. We actually have 2 of them. Some children's movies that are brand new. I knew this was an old seal. I always do good with Sesame Street stuff, but I saw Toys R Us up there, so I knew this was old, probably out of print. It's $2 and it sells for about $25, so that's sweet. We got a bunch more brand new sealed just movies. This Mother Teresa one, I'll pop it up here, sells for about $50, so that's pretty sweet. Definitely some good stuff in here. I got a couple video games for myself as well, and I don't think there's going to be much more left. The children's movies used to be 99 cents each, and I used to love on half off day, I'd grab a bunch at 50 cents each. So I would grab all the Wiggles for 50 cents each. I'd grab all the Baby Einsteins at 50 cents each and make lots for eBay, and they do really well. But they've since raised the prices to $2 each, and they're not half off, so it makes it a lot harder to build lots like that. So we'll pass on them, and we'll keep looking around the store. Alright, we got the toy aisle here. It's looking pretty packed. I think this guy's from Fortnite. $3. It's kind of a cool toy, actually. It is from Fortnite 2019. I don't know if he has any value, but I kind of like him. He's kind of different. I also have Captain America, Luke Skywalker, a baby Groot. Like I said in my last video, I know it's Baby Yoda. It's like Grogu or something. I messed up the name by mistake in my last video. We got a Simon A for 99 cents. That's actually not a bad deal. I've sold these a bunch of times for like 15, 20 bucks. I'll throw that in the cart. What else do we have here? Weird little face mask thing. Who is that? I have no idea. Bop It. I've sold lots of Bop Its. Let's see, is it 99 cents? It is 99 cents. It's not a bad price, except this one's really dirty. It's got a lot of gunk on it. Not too bad to clean up, but this isn't the most desirable model, so I'll leave it. Got a cool little mask. Darth Vader, we'll leave that too. And we'll keep looking. Hey, I found another baby Groot. Very cool. I'm sure you've all heard of Transformers, but what about Converts, Robot Warriors? We have 2 of them. Alright, you guys can see we have a lot of different board games for rows and rows and rows. So I'm going to go through a bunch, see if we can find anything really cool down here. Alright, so going through these board games here, you guys can see this brand right here, Think Fun Gravity Maze. I always do really well with Think Fun stuff, even if it's used. Here's the used price with a great rank on Amazon. I'd make $15 profit. This is only 99 cents, which is a great deal, but the only thing is the box itself is in really rough condition. There's a big gash in it here. The sides are kind of falling apart, so I'm gonna leave it just because of that. But if I find another, maybe I'll grab it. So one word of advice I could give for looking through the board games, I always love to find these older ones that you just don't see too often. Sharpshooters, I've never even heard of it. It's $2, and look at this thing. You could tell this is straight out of the 90s, 1994. Pretty cool. Well, I looked it up on Amazon, and I'll show you guys. So here it is with a pretty decent rank, brand new, selling for 113. This is used, obviously. Used going for 34 bucks still, and that is the lowest possible price. Looks like 34, 34, 36, so right around that $34 range. You make $21 after fees, so it only costs $2. It's about a $19 profit. Not bad. Looks like there's a lot of pieces to count. You could see right here all the pieces, and it's taped up pretty tight, so I'm gonna leave it because I don't feel like counting those pieces right now, but not a bad idea if you had more time. Another game that holds its value really well is Othello. This version right here, I see it all the time. It's only $3, but the box is really beat up. It feels really light, so I don't think all the pieces are in here. I really don't like how they tape everything up because it's really hard to check pieces that way. But that's fine. I'll just show you guys over here on Amazon, brand new. Great rank, selling for about $34, and used, selling for 30 bucks. So still not bad. I could turn that $2 into about 17 after fees, but I'm gonna leave it because I really don't think all the pieces are in here. It's super light, shouldn't be that light, but we're still looking. I did find a Baby's First Bear that's worth a little bit, so not too bad. We're just gonna keep looking. All right, so I found a few more things, and we're still just starting a new aisle, so I'll show you guys what I got. We got a Jenga Extreme. I'll pop the price up. I don't know if all the pieces are in here. It might be, might not be. We're just gonna take the gamble. It's not too hard to count, and if I don't have all the pieces, I might be able to sell them on eBay. It's only $3, but it's selling for like 50 bucks. Pretty crazy. This is not listed on Amazon at the moment, Wise and otherwise. It's only $2. I figured I'd take the risk because I've never sold it before. If not all the pieces are in here, I believe blue is 50% off, so I'm only paying $1. And it looks like used sells for about 40, but I could probably price a little higher since nobody's selling it. And then we got this Riptide right here for $6. It's selling for about 40 bucks, so not bad. I'll definitely take it. We'll throw it in there, and we still have a lot more to look through. Hey guys, look what I found, a baby Groot. Oh yeah. So this thrift store closes in about 20 minutes, so I don't have time to look any of this stuff up. I don't know too much about baseball bats. I know shipping these has gotten a lot more expensive lately. Same thing with just anything big, but these all look like junior size things. I don't think there's anything valuable in here. Easton Cyclone, but it's like really beat up. And then this Rawlings is kind of cool, but not the best condition. Don't think I'm missing out on anything here, but let me know if I'm wrong. So this is kind of cool here. It's a Smith Corona Silent Super, and it's $20. It's in okay condition. Seems to be working fine. It has some scuffing on it, and it's a little dirty in there. It'll need to be cleaned. But guys, these things sell really well. I'm gonna have to look into this a little more. I also love finding these Panasonics. This one's not in terrible shape, $4. It's definitely a pickup. These inflatables can be really good also. It's a Minnie Mouse. She's a vampire for 13 bucks, inflatable. Around Halloween, these sell really well. They actually sell pretty well all year. Oh, it is brand new in there. Might take a look at this real quick and just hold it for a few months. Well, almost a full year, but still, look into it. It's a shame I don't have too much time, but there's some cool hats here. We got Florida Panthers hockey team right here for $4. Pretty cool. We also have Buffalo Sabres. It's brand new. It has the sticker and everything. This one's $4 also. I might snag this because $4 isn't a bad deal. I think I might grab that one. This one being used, it has some little thread rip-ups right there, so I'd leave that. Some other cool ones. We have a US Open Oakmont with a little squirrel on it. That's cute. We have a Greenwich Laser Racing. No idea what that is. Sailboats. Pretty cool. Greenwich, Connecticut. US Rowing. There were some other cool sports ones in here. We got Truly Hard Seltzers hat. It's kind of neat. Jets. Islanders hockey. Somebody donated a bunch of a bunch of hockey hats. We have a Canadian American hockey, established in 1969. That's actually really cool. I like this hat. Oh, it's brand new. I'm taking that for myself. I like that for $3. What else do we got in here? Tractor Supply, Mount Gay Rum, Bassapalooza, Long Island Fishing Tournament. Kind of cool. Stands, Marco Island, Life is Good. Lots of cool hats here. Taco. That one just says Taco. Okay. Got Lincoln, Murica, Super Bowl, Tampa Bay, Cardinals, and I guess it's just a Cardinals hat. It's kind of interesting. Finger Lakes. All right. Not bad, not bad. I'm happy. Alright, so the thrift store just closed, just loaded up the car. There is a game exchange right over there by Popeyes. We're gonna go check it out, see if we can find anything there. Sometimes I find some media, some video games, even some board games and toys. Haven't been there in a while, so maybe we'll luck out. Alright, it's game exchange time. I don't think these are in every state, but they're all around the East Coast, and they usually do pretty good, so let's see what we find. So there's a bunch of video games here. Obviously it's mostly a video game store, and it helps to know your games while you're inside these places because you're able to just pick some off the shelf without having to know to look it up. And this game I know is pretty rare, Surf World Series. It's $19, which seemed affordable to me, so I scanned the barcode on the back, pulled it up on Amazon. Now the rank is kind of high. It will sell, but it'll take some time, but it's selling for $45. So I'll turn my 18 or 19 bucks into 33. It's about a $13 profit. It's not that bad. The person selling it is in good condition, so it's not terrible. The rank is pretty high. I might still grab it because why not? Alright, here's something to always keep an eye out for. Harry Potter games on the PS3. This one right here is selling for $25. It is complete with the manual, but the artwork is in really rough condition. It's like water damaged and all stained at the bottom. It's not terrible, but not something I'd like to sell on Amazon. But you could see, if it was in better condition, $52 is the cheapest. So it looks like 40 bucks after fees. Turn that 25 into 40 pretty quick. I might still do it. I don't know. I'll hold on to it. Alright, so moving on to the PlayStation 2 games, we have the same dilemma. We have this Dragon Quest, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they're asking 25 bucks here. You guys can see the rank is not terrible on it. Cheapest is 66 bucks FBA. You'd make $50. It's a quick double up, but the condition just is too rough for me to pick it up. You could see the water damage up there has kind of destroyed the artwork. All along the spine, same thing. And then, the back, there's a big hole in the back. So that is something I would leave behind, sadly. Still looking though.